Do you find baking bread challenging and are in search of a solution? Don't worry, I have the perfect remedy for you. In today's video, I will share the top 10 stand mixers under $150 that can make bread baking a breeze. Let's explore these fantastic stand mixers together. We will start our list with Kitchen in the Box 3.2 QT Stand Mixer. Discover the perfect kitchen companion with our Kitchen in the Box 3.2 QT Stand Mixer. Compact, lightweight, and available in various colors, it's ideal for small spaces. The 3.2 QT capacity and tilt head design make it user-friendly, while the 6 speeds and anti-slip suckers ensure stability during operation. Upgraded attachments and easy cleaning add convenience. A thoughtful gift with our after-sales guarantee. Elevate your culinary experience effortlessly. AUMATE 6.5 QT Stand Mixer. Elevate your baking experience with the AUMATE 6.5 QT Stand Mixer. Boasting a powerful 660W motor, 6 optimized speeds, and intelligent overheating protection, it ensures perfect mixing every time. The tilt head design, anti-slip stability, and top-quality attachments make it a versatile kitchen companion. With a sleek purple exterior and thoughtful LED light, it's an ideal gift for any occasion. Baking has never been this stylish and efficient. VIVOHOME 7.5 Quart Stand Mixer. Experience efficiency and power with the VIVOHOME 7.5 Quart Stand Mixer. Boasting a 660W motor, 6 speeds, and versatile attachments, it tackles any kitchen task effortlessly. The sturdy stainless steel bowl ensures safety, while the tilt head design and transparent shield add convenience. A perfect gift for cooking enthusiasts, this mixer combines style and functionality in one sleek iron gray package. Mini Angel Stand Mixer. Effortlessly transform your kitchen with the Mini Angel Stand Mixer. With a powerful 10-speed system and 5 QT stainless steel bowl, it tackles a variety of recipes. The upgraded DC motor ensures stability and longevity, while the tilt head design and anti-slip features enhance safety. Easy-to-clean attachments and a thoughtful scraper make it a versatile and convenient kitchen companion. An ideal gift with 24/7 customer service and lifetime support. COOKLEE Stand Mixer. Upgrade your kitchen with the COOKLEE Stand Mixer. Boasting a generous 9.5 quart capacity and 660W power, it handles diverse recipes effortlessly. With 10 speeds and versatile attachments, it suits any culinary creation. The stylish design adds charm to your kitchen, while dishwasher-safe accessories ensure easy cleanup. As an ISO-certified brand, COOKLEE offers reliable performance and 24/7 customer support. Elevate your cooking experience with this essential appliance. GEFT Stand Mixer. Elevate your baking experience with the GEFT Stand Mixer in vibrant red. This 6 QT 600W powerhouse offers 6+ piece speeds for versatile mixing, from delicate blends to robust dough. With a reliable pure copper motor, automatic shutdown for overheating, and a splash guard for mess-free cooking, it's your perfect kitchen companion. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe attachments and 24/7 online support, this mixer is an ideal gift for culinary enthusiasts. Aucma Stand Mixer. Upgrade your kitchen with the Aucma Stand Mixer in sleek black. Boasting a powerful 660W motor and 6 optimized speeds, it handles various recipes with ease. The 6.5 QT stainless steel bowl with handles makes baking convenient, while the tilt head design and stylish exterior add functionality and charm. Complete with multiple attachments and a splash guard, it's the ideal gift for culinary enthusiasts. Elevate your cooking experience with Aucma's reliable and stylish electric mixer. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. Elevate your kitchen with the Cuisinart Stand Mixer in sophisticated silver lining. Boasting a 5.5 quart capacity, 500-watt motor, and 12 speeds, it ensures precision in diverse preparations. Features include a polished stainless steel bowl, tilt-back, head, and multiple attachments. Optional accessories and a range of colors make it versatile. With a limited 3-year warranty and BPA-free construction, this mixer blends power, style, and reliability seamlessly. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Effortlessly elevate your baking experience with the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer in sleek black. With a powerful 300W motor and 7 speeds, it outperforms 2-beater mixers. The tilt-up head design allows quick ingredient additions, while planetary mixing ensures thorough results. Complete with a 4-quart stainless steel bowl splash guard and versatile attachments, it's the perfect kitchen companion. Enjoy precise control and easy cleanup for a seamless baking journey. Howork Electric Stand Mixer. Experience the perfect blend of durability and style with the Howork Electric Stand Mixer in captivating blue. Boasting a 660W pure copper motor, 6.5 QD stainless steel bowl, and 10+ pulse speed settings, it caters to all your kitchen needs. The tilt head design and unique features ensure convenience and stability. An ideal gift, backed by professional support with a full 2-year guarantee. Elevate your culinary endeavors with this powerful and aesthetically pleasing kitchen companion. We have reached the end of this video. If you found it helpful in choosing the perfect stand mixer for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support our channel. Also consider sharing this video with friends who are interested in content like this. Thank you for watching.